In this video, I am going to show you how to remove background from your photo professionally. And in the top left corner, you can see files. Click on it and then click open and select the photo from which you want to remove the background. Now what you need to do is click on select and all. As you can see, it will select the whole image. Now the next step is to go to properties and then scroll down and click on remove background. As you can see, the background is removed, but it also removed the letters and not quite what we want. So I will show you another easy way to avoid this as well. Let's make new project and select all. Now in the left side, find magic wand tool, and as you can see, it only select the area from which you want to remove the background. So let's try to remove the background. I will skip the video to save time. And as you can see, we have successfully removed background without erasing the letter. I hope you all like this video. Please leave a like and comment down below what you want next.